Hello everybody, this is Great Math with me, JP, number 21. And you know what, I was saving that for later, but never mind. So today we're going to work on percentages, and let's get started. Let me just grab my book of awesomeness, which is the pre-algebra book of the art of problem solving. You've probably seen me with this book once or twice.
And also you
Okay, so compute 40% of 20% of 10% of 80,000.
Can you write that down?
Yeah, I'm going to actually. Sorry. Compute 40% of 20% of 10% of 80,000. Okay, so you probably know how to do like 10% of 80,000, 20% of 80,000, 40% of 80,000. Well, we're kind of going to do that. 10% of 80,000, whatever the answer is, we do 20% of that. Whatever that is, we'll do 40% of that. Okay? Let's go. It's 10% of 80,000. 10% of 80,000. That's the same thing as 10 over 100. Or you guys, if you guys want to do it differently as 0.1, sometimes that does it, but I get tricked sometimes doing that. Maybe not you, but I do. Times 80,000, which then that's 800,000, because you multiply 10 over 100, we can cancel the zeros, only 2. Then that would be 8,000. 8,000. Oh, just 8,000. So then now we're going to do 20%. So 20% of 8,000, that would be 20 over 100 times 8,000. Then that's 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 160,000 over 100, cancel the zeros. Then that'd be 1,600. 1,600. Okay, make a line. And you know it's a lot of space taking, huh? So then 106. Okay, what's 40% of 1,600? That's the same thing as 40 over 100 times 1600. Then that's okay, that would be 24. Then it'd be 600 4 0 0 0. So that's 64,000 over 100. That would be 640. And that would be our answer for this problem. A lot, huh? Some of you might have done a mistake, like when I was doing this problem earlier. 0.2, which is 20 over, because you cancel the zeros, that's 2 over 10. 2 over 10 is 0.2. 0.2 times 80,000. You might think it's because it's 2 on the bottom, you might be dividing. You might think it's 40,000 or something like that. I get confused. I don't know why. I had dumb mistakes on that, so yeah. Oh yeah, I'm holding my eraser. So that's done. Oh, by the way, you guys might see like these numbers during the video. That's what number that is on these books, but I'm not sure if those are also chapters. Yeah, I'm not even sure. Yeah, I guess that also indicates the chapters. So yeah. for our next one. For our next problem, an athlete's target heart rate is 80% of the theoretical maximum heart rate. The maximum heart rate in beats per minute is found by subtracting the athlete's age in years from 220. What is the target's heart rate of an athlete who is 26 years old? Round to the nearest beat per minute. Well, that means mine, because I am a swimmer. Yeah, some of you guys might not know that. I'm 11 years old. I'm 11 years old. So subtract that from 220. That would be the maximum heart rate. That would be 220. That'd be not 209. My maximum heartbeat is 209. But if I have heart problems, which I'm pretty sure I don't, then yeah, that's my heart rate. That's my maximum heart rate. Okay, back to the subject. So 80%. So it's 26 years old. We subtract that from 220. If we do that on our head, that would be 194. So it says we want 80% of that. So 80% of 194 is x, a variable. Well, actually, I could have used that earlier, but you know what? No, you can just put x, because then the answer will be x. You could have just put that like on the last problem. You could have done that, but you know, let's just get going. That'd be 80 over 100 times 194, which is the same thing as 0.8. Guys, this time I do not get mistaken. 194. Then when we multiply 194 by 0.8, then that would be, that'd be 2, bring up to 3, 8 by 9, that's 72, that's 5, bring up to 7, 8, 15. And yeah, so our answer is, okay, so our answer is 155.2. And you were supposed to round to the nearest beat per minute. I'm not sure if I read that. So nearest beat per minute, round that. You would have to round it down. So then that would be 155. So if you're 26 and you're an athlete, your target beats per minute is 155 beats per minute. Yeah. Moving on. Sorry. All of the students in Mr. Sato's history class took an exam. Each student either passed or failed. Yeah, that's probably one of some of you guys' worst nightmares. Thank you, sound effects. 85% of the students passed and 3 students failed. How many students are in the class? Well, okay, so this is going to be kind of difficult. So we know there's 85 that succeed. 85% of them succeed. But 3 did not succeed. I think that's getting cheesy. Is that tragic? Okay, please stop. Moving on. And somebody please push off the off button on that thing. That please, yeah, you do, yeah. Going off, Lord. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so 85% of that. 85% of that. So we don't know the number, but we know that the rest of it, because then it would be of blank, we don't know, is equal to blank. And this is something percent of something is equal to that. What do we do? This is freaking out. This could be any number. What do we do? We're freaking out. Okay, so 85%. We all know the other percent. So 85%. So it's basically 85 over out of 100. So we know the remaining 15 is 15%. That gives us 15% here of 3. That makes it so much easier for us to find it. So, yeah. No, oh, wait, wrong one. Of blank, we'll use x, is equal to 3. Ta-da. So let's get started. 15 over 100 times x is equal to 3. 15x over 100 is equal to 3. We can multiply 100 on this side so that it gets canceled, but we can't play favorites, so we also have to do it here. 15x is equal to 300. We want to make the variable, we want to isolate the variable, 15 on both sides, can't play favorites. The reciprocal does it out. Now it's an x. X is equal to 300 over 15, but we're not done yet, so we can't score the answer. Yeah, so you always want to find the, you always want to simplify it. So x is equal to 20. There are 20 students in the classroom. I'm actually happy that was still. Okay. So this is Great Math number 21. If you did like this video, please do give a big thumbs up for Great Math. And please do also subscribe to Great Math videos with me and also Ethan. And we will see you next time on 22. Goodbye.